this is Lacey from Smith Hollow Farmstead. You're watching our farm vlog, Farming from Scratch, where we share the ups and downs of starting our own produce and pastured poultry farm. This is an unusual episode because I lumped 2 weeks into one video. Usually our videos are weekly, but this is a special case since we had a more challenging than normal past few weeks. I decided it'd probably be best to take a week off from farming from scratch. So here's weeks 15 and 16. We continued to seed. Our batch of Rhode Island red hens are nearing maturity and a few have started laying. Our second group of hens continue to grow. Our meat birds were processed. And we of course made 2 weeks worth of CSA deliveries. To take chickens? Look at me, Ellen. Are you excited about chickens?
Yes.
Yeah. Here. You want to open it, Wes? Open the cooler. Ooh, what's inside?
Chicken.
Yeah?
Now I'm ready to see.
Can you believe it?
Are you excited to eat some of that chicken?
Warm.
It's warm.
You mean cold? Is that what you mean, Wes? Is cold?
Cold.
Oh.
Cool, guys.
Hey,
What do you have, GB?
there's a lot in there.
What do you have?
I mean, it may not look full, but...
What? What do you see?
You say beets? Beet greens? Can you say turnip? Look at these.
Can you hold it up? Wow. Oh my gosh, those are huge.
Hell yeah.
Huh. Oh, okay.
Is that not what you planned on?
Oh, yeah.
Mario.
Yeah.
It's like... How does he do it? He like has it down here and goes...
And that's Mario.
I could probably...
What's that? What is that, GB? Oh, you're showing me your toys?
Okay.
Okay, success. So it's week 3, and here's what our CSA drop-off looks like. We're putting baskets in plastic bags this week. Let's take a look. They are in the front. Here's my girl G.
Sleepy G.
Sleepy G.
Cheer up, Sleepy G.
Baskets and flowers. In the back, my cooler with processed meat birds. All right, let's get going, G. Here's progress photos for both weeks 15 and 16. Plants continue to grow, crops and weeds alike. We're also still working on our electrical project and setting up our cold storage building. Silage tarps will be moved soon, and more beds are planned to take shape. Here's our second and third week CSA baskets. I'll have more information about their contents up on the website soon. I chose to include a couple of pictures of G for our fun segment. This was taken after a long morning harvesting and prepping CSA baskets for delivery. G is a big helper, always needing to be involved. After her big morning, Marcus and I found her curled up in some laundry that had been set in a chair. That's it for weeks 15 and 16 of Farming from Scratch. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, happy farming!